say you want to stay in a jam-packed place with a lot of things to do in your free time. Hi, I'm Pam Perfecto. Welcome to Tap Realty PH. For today's video, we are at the sunny Manila Bay area. The unit we're at is located at Palm Beach West, Baler Tower. When we entered the unit, my dad and I were debating whether this unit was actually 60 square meters or 38 square meters as advertised, because actually it feels so spacious. A little background of this place: it has 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a beautiful balcony that you can see the poolside area. And I noticed that the partitions of the bedroom and the living space has these little windows that gives light to the area. If you're considering to rent out this unit, it has everything that you will need. It's fully furnished. Most of the items are brand new. Inverter window type air cons in both of the rooms, and the refrigerator is also inverter. Very energy saving. The light is coming in very nicely, and the vibe here is very uplifting. That's what I can say. This place is really jam-packed from the unit to the outside. If you're interested to rent out this unit, contact the contact details down below. We'd love to give you a personal tour around the place. So thanks for watching Tap Realty PH. Do like and subscribe to Tap Realty PH for more real estate properties out there.